Welcome back, anybody. As you can see, we're loading a very knobby ash on the mill right now. What you can't see, but we'll see later, is that the lumber is definitely not knobby. So stick around and enjoy. As you can clearly see here, more emerald ash borer damage. Here's something you don't see every day, me actually working. That was so much fun, let's do it again. I'm setting the blade height at 12 inches in the hopes that we can get 12-inch wide material when we rotate the log. At 12 inches, the face wasn't wide enough, so we've got to drop down to 11 inches and try again. Well, it looks like 11 inches was the right number, so we're going to rotate the log 90 degrees and cut 11-inch wide boards. As you can see, the blade was set too high and we ended up with a wasted cut. Now I have to take a second cut to make up for that, which again is a waste of time, energy, and blade sharpness. You may have noticed that since this is the third face of the log that the blade is at a random height. The only thing I'm trying to do to the cant at this point is get it down to a nice straight board with little or no wane. Boy, I wish that turning a log or a cant was always this easy. I'll bet you're surprised to see that we're cutting this cant into 6/4 material, not the normal 4/4. I know I am. If you can't see it, the 6/4 column is the second in from the left on the scale. Well, as you just saw, Matt did another great job and got me a really nice log to mill. Thanks, Matt.